Can I kick it? 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 Well, I'm gone.
Yeah, what's up, y'all? This is Superstar AT. You now watching another episode of Kicking It with Rosie. Sit back, stay tuned, and yo, enjoy the show. This is the movement, baby.
Welcome, my name is Rosie Pickering, and welcome to Kicking It with Rosie. Tonight I'm kicking it at the Bowery Poetry Center, where we have our artist showcase every second Sunday of every month. And I'm just kicking it here. We're going to have different interviews with everyone, so I want you to sit back and relax and enjoy the show. But I would like to introduce my cousin Joelle. What's up, cuz? How you doing? Good. My girlfriend Michelle, she got the bubble butt. Hi, Michelle. And my actress friend, come over here. Marie Alice. So say hello to the viewers. How you guys doing tonight? You enjoying the showcase? Yes, we're chilling here, kicking it with Rosie with the Movement Records. Doing it tonight. You ladies and gentlemen having a good time? Everybody getting their buzz on. I feel good all over. So we're going to interview a couple of artists and get it started. So sit back and relax and enjoy Kicking It with Rosie, will ya? Yeah.
This is the barbecue jump off. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know about the barbecue jump off, so you know what it is. You know, did a lot of those. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, my name is Big Cal if you don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's what it is. We do a lot of promotions for artists, the whole bit. It's what it is. So next to the stage, y'all, you know, he's new to the stage. You gotta show him love, definitely. You know what I'm saying? All the people, we gotta show love, you definitely. Alright? Next artist doing this thing. Show him love, everybody, when he get on the stage. Pop more, everybody. Show him some love, everybody. A little R&B, a little, you know, we got a little something for you, everybody. Here we go. Pop more, baby.
All right. This song is about the ladies' bubble butts. I'm sure there's a lot of bubble butts here. And we're going to get it off with the bubble butts. Everybody like the bubble butts. So we're going to do it tonight for all the bubble butts. Yeah. Everybody loves bubble butts. That's it. We're ready, baby. Curvaceous, malicious, bubble butt, bubblicious. Curvaceous, malicious, bubble butt, bubblicious. Bubble butt chips, you're gonna get your lips. With a butt like that, you might get some. Never mind, Hurricane Katrina coming again. Disruptive force. Painted on jeans, round as a mound. Bounce like a basketball. Bring it over here, let me slam dunk. A cutie with a booty, times the clock, round the moon, hot as sun. Yeah, explosive, like dynamite. Bubble butt, blow me up. Yeah, explosive, like dynamite. Bubble butt, blow me up. Strut your stuff, girl, you got the tools, but a body like that, how can you lose? I'm Work it, girl, say yeah. Work it, girl, say yeah. It's your world, curvaceous, malicious. Bubble butt, bubblicious. Curvaceous, malicious. Bubble butt, bubblicious. Explosive, like dynamite. Bubble butt, blow me up. Explosive, like dynamite. Bubble butt, blow me up. Say yeah. Work it, girl, say yeah. Work it, girl, say yeah. Work it, girl, say yeah. It's your world. Yeah, baby. What you talking about? Put them up. I love them bubble butts.
Kick it. Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Well, I'm gone.